If you are on the hunt for an incredible AI art platform that can truly match the quality of Midjourney while being incredibly user-friendly and free, then look no further than Leonardo AI. In this short video, I will show you how to get started with Leonardo without being on the waiting list and start generating right now incredible designs, either for your own pleasure or for commercial purposes. Without waiting any longer, let's dive into it. So first we are going to go to Google and we are going to write Leonardo AI. Okay, Leonardo, my bad. So once we arrive to the platform, instead of entering our email and being on the waitlist, which can take up to 2 to 3 days till they give you access to the platform, you want to click on Launch App directly and say, yes, I'm on the waiting list. Log into Leonardo AI. And here, either you have an account or you don't have an account, just continue with Google account. So you will sign up with your Google account. Again, log into Leonardo. So, and here we are on the dashboard of Leonardo. As you can see, these are the designs created by the artist of the community. You can see how stunning the designs are. What I want to highlight here, as you see here, I have 146 tokens. In reality, when you just create the account, you have 150 tokens that comes with the free version. I see you coming, don't get mad. I said at the beginning that it was free, and listen carefully. This 150 tokens reset every 24 hours. Let's see an example here. Mine are going to reset in 4 hours, which means that you're going to have 150 tokens each 24 hours, and to create or generate a design you need between 4 and 7 tokens, depend on the quality and the number of designs you might need. And believe me when I said this is enough for each day, and whenever you're going to feel the need to upgrade and to need more tokens per day, means that you're already taking a big return on investment, and means that you are having clients and you need to generate way more designs. So let's see how to create or generate a design. So you click here on AI image generation, and you have, well, that was the last prompt I tried, that what ate the 4 tokens. So you want to write your prompt here. It works as Midjourney, so you have to describe a bit what you want, the design you want. In our case, let's say a strong. So here you can use different fine-tuned models. You can use even stable diffusion, as you can see. We are going to use Leonardo diffusion. For me, is the best results I got was with Leonardo diffusion. Then you can here put Leonardo style and you will generate. As you see, it takes 7 tokens to generate this. Why? Because I used bigger scale for my image, but in reality you don't need to go that high. For me, it's probably to use for a thumbnail or something, but if I go under, it's 4 tokens. And then also if I want to generate 2 images, it's 2 tokens. So let's see what I will get like this. Well, not bad. I can definitely upgrade this if I want. But, well, let's see how to get stunning results without having to learn prompting ourselves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the feed of the community. I'm going to choose any design I really like. Well, I like this frog. Let's see. I'm going to copy the prompt and I will go back here and I will just paste it. Anamorphic, cute and adorable, charming, smiling parrot frog. Instead of frog, I'm going to put tiger. Now I'm going to put 4 designs and I'm going to upscale a bit. So this is 7 tokens, guys. Let's see the results. Guys, this is just amazing. This looks like the NFTs they are selling for I don't know how many thousands of dollars. I'm going to start to generate my own gallery of NFTs. That's amazing. So it's as easy as that. Before forgetting, here you have of course the features, the options you have. There is something very important, is that you can add your image and apply a prompt to your image and get yourself changing style or whatever you want, which is amazing also. Well, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video and that you found it useful. Let me know what you think about Leonardo AI in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to not miss any update on the AI revolution. Peace.